How to log in to Kahoot. So if you want to log in for Kahoot, then first of all open up the browser and then go for the search bar and search for Kahoot. And here you will have kahoot.com. Click on that. And now you will have a login option on the upper right. Simply click on login. And then it will take you to the login page. So if you have created your account using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Clever, then you can use any one of these options. But you have to use your email address or your username, then you have to enter your email address. And after that, you can enter your password. But if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply click on Forgot Password or click on Reset Your Password so that you can reset or recover your password. And if you remember your password, then simply enter it. And then you can click on Login, which is here. And after simply clicking on Login, your Kahoot account will be logged in. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.